Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. On January 11, 1940, Quirino Lizardo and his nephew Ferdinand Marcos, who won the highest honors in the 1939 bar examinations, and son of former Assemblyman Mariano Marcos, were convicted of murder of Julio Nalundasan, Assemblyman-elect in 1935. Mariano and his brother Pio were acquitted. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Si Lizardo ay hinatulan ng habang buhay at si Ferdinand Marcos ay mula 10 hanggang 17 taon dahil sa katotohanang siya ay minor de edad noong panahon ng krimen. Ang kataas-taasang hukuman noong October 22, 1940 gayunpaman ay pinawalang sala si Ferdinand at ang kanyang tiyuhin sa mga kaso ng pagpatay. Binaligtad ang desisyon ng mababang hukuman na pinaniniwalaan ng ebidensya ng punong saksi ay marumi at hindi magandang batayan para sa paghatol. Ang desisyon ng korte ay sinulat ni Justice Jose P. Laurel na sinang-ayunan ni Chief Justice Ramon Avancenia at Justices Carlos Imperial, Anacleto Diaz at Antonio Horiliano. On September 20, 1935, Representative Julio Nalundasan, re-elected to the Assembly, defeating Mariano Marcos, was shot and killed while standing in front of his window after dinner at his home in Batac, Ilocos Norte, by an unidentified assassin. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Vince Lombardi, perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Neil Sonyo, Hal Udin, and Majoy Castañas. Maraming salamat po.